Let's remove this seized chuck. The quick release chuck should be very simple to twist for the release. But as you can see, this one will not twist all the way around. I could not find anything in the manual relating to this nor any other information online. So I set out to figure this out on my own. And here's what I found. This was not the first thing I tried. First, I split the body apart. Do not do that. It does not appear to provide you any access to the side of the chuck you need for this. What you need to do is remove the circlip or split ring depending on what you know it as. You will not be able to take it off completely yet, but that's okay, it can just sit there loose for now. We just need to be able to release the chuck to move up and down. I used a thin-bladed flathead screwdriver to help remove the circlip. Then simply hit the regular chuck with a hammer while lifting up on the quick release chuck with slight pressure. Oh, something I failed to mention yet is I did spray this with WD-40 prior to this removal. Then after you have it moving freely, twist the quick release chuck and remove the regular chuck. Be careful not to lose the circlip. Set this safely to one side. You can stop here, but I took it all the way apart to grease it. At this step it is very important to take this out with great care. There is a small pin, 2 springs, and a formed slide that can be easily lost. If you're getting value from my video, please like and/or subscribe. Thanks in advance. This is what moves to lock or release the chuck. It's important it is well greased to move freely. This larger spring has a hole to line it up correctly. Then carefully place the chuck outer ring back. Keep this held down and replace the circlip. If you need any of the tools from this video, you will find them at your local hardware store, or alternatively, I have links to them here in the description. Here you can see the release mechanism moving correctly. As a side note, I found out the hard way, whatever drill bit or attachment should be greased and removed after use to prevent this from getting stuck again. Now I am going to install an annular drill bit and see how she drills through some 1/8 square tubing. If you enjoy my how-to video, please check out my other videos. There will be some suggested videos at the end of this, or please feel free to visit my page. I would appreciate your time. Here I started with 1/4 pilot bit. The annular cutter have a guide to prevent them from walking. It was at this point I thought I had a dull drill bit. It was not, it was a user error. The drill has a quick release handle to allow for more flexibility to make adjustments for smaller or larger attachments. As you can see, I did not figure this out right away. But hey, Every day is a school day, and hopefully I can help you from making this error and save you some time and frustration. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please check out the suggested videos above. Have a great rest of your day.